everyone, and welcome to week 5 of Basic Excel and Analysis Skills. This week, we will be looking at some common errors and some formatting issues that can cause problems in Excel, and we're going to look at how to fix them quickly. These are the 5 common errors that we're going to fix in our Excel spreadsheet. We'll go through each one individually with a little bit of an explanation on why it happens and then how to fix it. To move into our spreadsheet and have a look at some of these errors. Let's go. Okay, so as we can see here, we've got 2 errors within our spreadsheet that we're going to fix straight up. This one's super easy. When you've got loads of hashtags, it just means the column's not wide enough. To fix this, go to the top of your page where it says A, B, C, D, E. In between your 2 columns, move to the center between them and get this little symbol and double click. And it's automatically going to make the column wider. That's a super easy fix, no big drama there. This value one, we can see the error that's happened. When this error comes up, this hashtag value, it means one of the values within the formula that you've asked Excel to complete, it means one of the values is incorrect. So it could be, it's going to be something that's not a numerical value. This is easy to fix, but if you've got a lot of data in a very big spreadsheet, sometimes this is going to be tricky to find. So we're just going to go into this column, this cell here, and put it back to 0, and enter, and then our formula automatically corrects itself. Super easy again. Okay, so with this null error, this is a missing command within your formula. So this may be a little bit trickier to find. You might find that you just start again and redo the formula and it corrects itself because you're concentrating on the formula. But this is where you would forget, in this instance, a plus within the formula. So if we go up to the function bar up here, you can see between K5 and K6, there's no command. Excel does not know what you want it to do with this. So this is an easy fix again. We're going to move our cursor into the formula and we're just going to make a command. So I'm going to make minus and then enter, and then it gives you the answer. Can occur from a couple of different reasons. The reference error. So say you were to accidentally delete this column. See, these formulas here pop up with a reference error, and so does this column here. That's because the column we've just deleted, or the values we've just deleted, were part of several formulas within our spreadsheet. So this one's an easy fix, just to undo. Another way this reference error comes into play is if you've used VLOOKUP from another spreadsheet to enter your data correctly. So it'll come up with a reference error when you close the other spreadsheet down, the second spreadsheet. One way around this is to copy as values after you've entered the information, insert another column, copy and paste as a value instead of a formula. That will circumvent the reference error that you will get. Okay, so with this next one, this name value, the last one that we're going to do, this name error means there is an error within your actual formula, a text error within the formula. So this is easy to find in some cases, but very difficult in others, especially if you've got a very long and difficult formula. But here it just happens to be a typo where the T is next to sum. So if we take that out, that gives you the correct formula. Okay, so that's it for this week. I hope it was helpful and helped you understand a few of why the errors occur. Next week, we're going to be looking at ethics and why they're so important to the data industry. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next week. Bye!